balloons are huge. I had no clue. I'm so excited.
Hello everyone, family and friends. Today, Valentine's Day 2015, I proposed to Karina. Get proposed in a hot air balloon on Valentine's Day. Get engaged on a hot air balloon on Valentine's Day.
Wait, why did you get suspicious?
Because the basket was only for 2 people instead of a group.
Oh, a group.
Yeah.